Video Minecraft PE and all that, how to get a free server, and yeah. So here are the apps. I don't know where this shit comes in. So you want to go Pocket Mine, Minecraft PE for Androids, or so I'm not on my iOS device today because I can't find that one, and my mom's getting mad at me. So yeah, this is this one. This is like my IP address and all that. And my port is like the normal port. And you can OP yourself. You can get plugins. Well, more plugins than Elite servers though. And also, speaking of Elite servers, this is how you get Elite server. Elite.cc realms, and this is how you donate. Elite.cc realms, but you want to go here. And what you gotta do, put your name and their port in there, and that's how you donate to the thing. So yeah, bye guys.